friends, I welcome you all in my kitchen at Healthy Kadai. In our today's video, we'll be preparing spinach soup. This soup is loaded with health benefits. This is a very quick and comforting soup recipe which will give you warmth from inside. Unlike the usual spinach soup where the spinach is pureed, we have chosen a different way to prepare my spinach soup today. So let's check out the recipe. To begin with, we'll prepare vegetable stock in pressure cooker. So for this, I have cut one potato, one tomato and one onion. So we'll simply transfer it in the pressure cooker and we need to cook it with water until the vegetables turn soft. Into this, we'll add 3 cups of water. You can even reduce on the quantity of the water if you like. Then we'll pressure cook it until 1 to 2 whistles. That's about it. We'll switch off the flame and we'll allow the pressure cooker to cool down a bit. The vegetables have cooked properly. Now we need to puree it and then strain it. So this is my vegetable stock ready. Apart from this soup recipe, you can use this vegetable stock in any other recipe. So one can easily store this in refrigerator for good 2 to 3 days. Now let's see how to prepare the spinach soup. For this, heat 1 teaspoon of butter in a pan or a kadai. Into this, we'll add 1 chopped onion. We need to saute onion on medium flame for 1 to 2 minutes. After that, we'll add 1 cup of nicely washed and chopped spinach in it. Now we need to again saute both onion and spinach on medium flame. Once spinach turns soft, then we'll add half a cup of milk in it. We'll combine both spinach and milk together. If you want to prepare dairy-free spinach soup, then you can avoid adding milk. However, milk further enhances the taste of spinach soup. Further, when the mixture starts to boil, then we'll add our prepared vegetable stock in it. I am preparing this soup for 3 to 4 people, so you can accordingly add vegetable stock in the soup. So just mix it well, continue to cook it on medium to high flame. After that, we'll add salt as per taste. Also, we'll add black pepper in it. So these are the only seasonings I'm using in my soup. Mix it well and then continue to cook it for further 5 to 10 minutes till it thickens up a bit. This spinach soup is very healthy and nutritious as it helps in preventing constipation. It simply relaxes your body because it gives you a comforting feeling when you have this soup. So my soup is ready. One can also puree this soup at this stage. However, I like my spinach soup to be just like this. So let us now serve it. So you can see that this is a very light spinach soup, unlike the usual thick spinach soup which is normally prepared. With this spinach soup, you can actually enjoy the flavor of spinach in it. For garnishing, one can garnish the spinach soup with cottage cheese or paneer or simply use little cream on top of it. I'm sure you'll really enjoy this warm and comforting soup, so do give it a try and let me know how does it turn out for you. If you liked watching today's video, please do like our video, share our videos with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Healthy Kadai for more such interesting recipes. Until our next video, happy cooking and stay healthy.